graph the function f of x equals negative 2x squared plus 3. Give the domain and range. So let's make a table of values. I've selected some values for x, which is the input, and we put that in for x here and evaluate it by first squaring it, doubling it, multiplying by -1, and then adding 3. So for example, we have -2 times, and now we substitute in -2 for x, so it would be -2 squared, plus 3. -2 squared is positive 4, times -2 is -8, plus 3 is -5, so our first point that we have is -2 comma -5. Let's do the same with -1. So we'd have -2 times -1 squared plus 3. -1 squared is 1 times 2 is -2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So we have a point -1 comma 1. When we substitute in 0 and evaluate it, you'll see we have that it's equal to 3. So we have the point 0 comma 3. Now we substitute in +1, but as you know, with graphs of quadratics, they are symmetric, and so we would expect, and we do, find that that value is 1. We have 1 comma 1. And finally, when we substitute in +2, we would expect that to give us the same result as substituting -2, which it does. It's -5. So the final point that we're going to graph is 2 comma -5. So now we take all these points here, we plot them, and we get the following graph. So you can see that it's a parabola opening downwards. The vertex happens to be at 0 comma 3, and it's symmetric about the y-axis. The domain is from -infinity through infinity, and the range is from -infinity up to and including 3.